Now this is what we call the silage. Yeah, these are napier grass that have been cut or chopped into very, very small pieces, yeah, then put in a silo. You can be asked in an exam, where is silage stored? Silage is stored in a structure called a what? A silo. If you are asked to define the term silo, you simply say this is a deep hole or a huge hole that is done underground for storing silage. Then we move to commercial fields. We move to commercial fields. What are commercial fields? The term commercial means for sale. The term commercial means for sale. So we need to know that, or we need to understand that, when we talk of commercial fields, these are not natural fields. These are fields which are manufactured or the processed in the factories or in the industries. After they've been processed there, they are packaged and then sold. So the farmers buy them from the shops. And special shops where farm animal feeds or farm products are bought are known as the agrovets. They are known as the what? The agrovets. So you need to know that commercial feeds are those feeds that are manufactured or that are processed in the factories. Once they've been processed, they are now taken to the shops and they are sold there so that the farmers can be able to buy or purchase them for their livestock. They are also known as concentrates. They are also known as concentrates. Now, when we talk of the term concentrates, these are special additives or special substances which are flavored in a way. So when they are added to the commercial feeds, they make these feeds to be to have some special flavor or some special taste for the animals. Concentrates are healthy substances that are added to the commercial feeds to make them sweetest and more nutritious. Make them sweetest and more nutritious. Make them have a nice taste so that the animals can have nice appetite for eating. Then the word nutritious means they contain some special nutrients which the animals might require in their bodies. Then they contain the proteins. So we need to know that commercial feeds contain proteins. Commercial feeds also contain the carbohydrates. They contain the mineral salts. Commercial feeds also contain vitamins, and they also contain fats and oils. From our previous knowledge on classes of foods, we learned that proteins help in building the body of the animals. Another importance of proteins, the reason why animals should be fed on proteins promote faster growth. Proteins promote faster growth. That means that proteins enable animals to grow faster, promote faster growth. And we also learned that proteins help in repairing the worn-out body tissues. What about the carbohydrates class? We learned in our previous lesson, or in our previous classes, that carbohydrates help in provision of energy. So provide energy for the animals. Especially the young animals need energy for growth as well. Because for growth to take place, there is something we call cell division. We learned that one later in our studies. It is through cell division that animals are able to grow. Then we need more examples of mineral salts which animals require in their body. One, we have calcium. Two, we have phosphorus. Three, we have iron. Four, we have potassium, among other mineral salts. Now, what is the importance of calcium in the body of animals? Calcium, as we know, helps in formation of strong bones and teeth. It makes the animals to have very strong bones. Phosphorus performs the same function as calcium. Phosphorus also helps in formation of strong bones and teeth in animals. When we come to iron, these are very, very important mineral salts in the body of animals, in that it helps in formation of the blood, particularly what we call the red blood cells. This one we shall learn in class 7. Then we have the fats and oils. Fats and oils, just like the carbohydrates, also provide animals with a lot of energy, and that makes the animals very, very strong. So there is something that we need to know here, that when we talk about commercial feeds, we don't have water and refuges. So these two do not form part of the commercial feeds of the concentrates. And another name for refuges is fiber. So concentrates of the commercial feeds do not have water. Concentrates of commercial feeds do not have the refuges. And we know what roughage do in the body of animals. Roughages help in releasing the undigested matter from the body, thereby preventing what we call constipation. Then, just like the drugs that we take at home, or the medicine that we take at home, they come in different forms. If we talk about medicine, we have medicine that come in form of syrup, medicine that come in form of tablets, medicines come in form of powder, medicine come in form of capsules. Now, when we talk about the commercial feeds or the concentrates, they also come in different forms. The first form is powder. We have commercial feeds which come in form of powder. Then we have commercial feeds which come in form of pellets. And these pellets are also called the crisps. We have those that come in form of mashes. And finally, the commercial feeds of the concentrates also come in form of the cubes. What are the importances of concentrates or commercial feeds? Why should we feed our livestock on concentrates? Why should we feed our livestock on concentrates? The main reason why animals should be fed on commercial feeds is to increase production. For example, if you are keeping dairy cattle and your cow gives you, let's say, 2 liters of milk every day, if you feed that cow on a commercial feed, the cow will be able to give you even 10 liters or more a day. Another reason why animals are fed on commercial feeds is to promote faster growth. It makes them grow faster. For example, the chicks that we have at home. These chicks are fed on commercial feeds to make them establish or grow faster so that they can be taken to the market as quickly as possible so that the farmer can get the best profits. To supplement other feeds, and finally, they improve or they boost the health of the animals. They increase the immunity of the animals. Okay, in conclusion, what have we learned today? we have learned that there are two examples of conserved feeds. And we have said that conserved feeds are those feeds that are kept for future use. And before keeping them for future use, they must be preserved. How are they preserved? By either removing water, that is the hay, or by removing air, that is silage. So we have hay, which is dry fodder. Number two, we have silage, which is green and fermented fodder. We have said that hay is stored in stacks or in bales. We have also said that silage is stored in a silo. And a silo is a hole or an impression that is done underground where silage is kept. We have also learned that we have commercial feeds, which are also known as concentrates. And we say that animals are fed on concentrates, one, to increase production so that they can give us more milk, more meat, and even eggs. Animals are also fed on commercial feeds to make them grow faster, especially the chicks and even the young calves. Animals are given commercial feeds to supplement other feeds in order to get what they cannot obtain from other feeds like the fodder and the pastures. We are also saying that commercial feeds are important because they boost the immune system of the animal, thereby improving their health status. I've come to the end of my lesson, but remember, I'll give you notes in your Google Classroom and some questions. So let us meet there.